Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox unexpected error, this crash. If you want to fix it, all you have to do, click here and then go to apps and features, type here Roblox, click on it, uninstall it. After that, type here run, click on it. Now type app data, click OK, go to local, scroll down until you find Roblox, right click on Roblox, delete it, and then click on app data, go to local low, and here you will find Roblox settings. Right click on it and delete it. After that, go back and now click here, type run, click on it, and then type percent up, percent 10%, and then now you have to delete all these folders, and just like that, right click and delete it. And after that, just go ahead and install Roblox again. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next video.